in the building, bro. Now, you already know the classic one. Mariah Carey, Learn How to Fly, you know what I'm saying? I remember I was back in the day when I was a little kid, you know what I'm saying? My aunt used to drive us around in the car playing that song, bro. And she always used to play the soundtrack. It was like the album. She always play that everywhere we go, bro. It was like, fly like a bird into the sky. Bro, it used to be my jam, bro. Hope y'all gonna like this reaction, bro. Comment down, like, and subscribe if you're new. And without further ado, we about to get right into it. Let's get it. Let's get into it. Now, before we start this off, bro, I reacted to a couple of her videos before, bro, and she always kills it. She has them vocals that just make you want to sing with her. Even if you can't really sing with her, you know what I'm saying? Because she could do it like no other. But I see we got a couple features. I haven't heard these guys before, but we're going to hear them today, you know what I mean? Oh, I like it, okay. Facts. Oh, she sound good, bro. Damn, that voice is flawless right there, bruh. And the musicians, bruh, y'all doing y'all thing too. It's like the whole orchestra just on point right now. This bring me back memories right now, bruh. And good memories too. Like them old school songs, bruh. They just bring you back the memories, bruh. Great times, great times. She's smiling at me. Here we go. Bro, she killing. She going up and down with them vocals and shit. Oh, 10 out of 10. Give her a 10 out of 10. Stop playing with her. Who gonna carry me? Hey, fuck it up good. I need you right now, girl. Dang. She's really killing this joint. The Lord should be smiling, bruh. I'm gonna take you home? Okay. She just made my day, bro. I'm not gonna exaggerate right now. She really just made my day. Like, I'm getting that, like, warm feeling type joint, you know what I'm saying? You know when a song good, when you just feel good right after it's over, you know? It ain't even over. Feel it, girl. Feel it. She killed that shit. baby. It's your boy iSOLegend, bro. Comment down, like, and subscribe if you like that reaction, man. Bro, if it was a higher number than 10 out of 10, I would definitely give it to you. Because that right there, it gave me a vibe. That just made me feel good for the rest of the day, bro. It really did. She did her thing, bro. I love reacting to her joints because she always kills it. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy. I hope you have a blessed, lovely, beautiful rest of your day. Like and subscribe if you're new, and I'm going to catch you for the next one, bro. Lay on. I'm out.